Hello guys, welcome back. So today is another day to do my vlog, and today we are making oha soup. As you can see, I was begging Chibuzo, the little boy, to help me video because I actually totally forgot about vlogging today. Like, I was just really tired yesterday, slept off, and then I woke up this morning. I forgot I was supposed to vlog, so I asked Chibuzo, the little one, to help us vlog and to actually shoot this first part of the video. As you can see, he was trying his best, but like I had to collect it from him to continue the vlogging myself. So right here we are plucking oha leaf from the stalk so that we can start preparing the oha soup. So we're making arrangements for, everything that we need. This is everyone in charge of the cooking today. Can you tell us what this is? Eh? Pumpkin. Okay. So what are you doing now? But it's ugu seed, right? They call it ugu seed now.
Yes.
Okay. This is ugu seed, guys.
Sorry. I wanted to tell you sorry, but I take back my sorry.
Why? Because the water no hot.
Sit down. Like it's not.
Probably maybe because her mind was not there, so the reflex.
Sorry.
The water is boiling. And this is here you cook your oha. This is how you cook your oha.
Yes, this is what we are using to cook.
How are you? I just want to my twins buy yesterday. How are you?
I need water. I never drink water. Don't give me water.
You don't go outside and you don't lock door.
They carry their key.
So yeah, we decided to come into the house just to relax while our meat is boiling outside. And very soon we'll go back outside and check so that we can start preparing our oha soup. So we're just relaxing for now.
Agbani Darego. Agbani.
Spoon there inside.
Yes. Agbani Darego. She's cooking. She wanna cook oha soup with achara and what else? And she's testing. And she's not supposed to test, but she's testing. Do you know why we do this? Auntie is explaining. Auntie, my people are not hearing you. My people here. They need to hear you. My people now. The people are going to watch. My fans. You are the treasure that I seek. You were close to me, and I did not.
Munachi. And how are you?
Fine.
How are you?
Fine.
Why is Buhari doing that? Why are you hiding there like push rat? Eh?
I told her to buy. Let us buy fresh. Are you recording? Wait. Okay, you put that for me. Yes, that's why it's not. For them, they do adjust it. Yeah. Wait. I don't. I go peel again. We don't need peeling much. Okay, so we don't need that. I see a mirror. I see a mirror. Over there then. I'm going to the other one. Then you see me. I don't know. I'm not dog. There's one more. I put it. No. Okay, I'm about to. Yeah. I just did it one more time. Which one is this one? This serious, Nancy.
It's a long now. Now, fast.
Make a look of it.
He didn't like it.
Friend Gary.
Yes.
Yellow Gary. That's what they do.
Yes. Yes, of any woman when they satisfy. When they learn.
This one, the go laugh tire.
Those are the ones when they satisfy. When they learn. So it's not easy.
This is how they do it. This is how they fry Gary.
Well done, you're trying. Just so no, just fry white Gary from here.
Down, you know they put oil and I just do
Uh, 3, 2, 1.
Waiting. You they snap.
Don't go show my face.
Wait.
Who get this first? Okay.
So we are headed to Nnene's house just to pay visits. Since we came back, we haven't gone there. So we are on our way. I'm not alone. You're gonna see the big crowd right now. Yep, see my people. We are headed to Nnene's house, Nnene's compound right now. So get ready. With our single Pringles now. Eh? Be coming down, no.
Look at them. All of them are walking with legs because they are in the village. This is village.
You're going to get road from here, which come off.
Me, now, this is small.
This road,
Me and my grandmother, they
this
do
road,
farm.
come off, they go Mobiala. Mobiala road.
Nice.
You go small woman house.
Now this place, now me and my grandmother. Leg for hand, for your waist. Something like over your body. Almost. I hear.
So this is where we'll do Nnene's, burial reception. It's really big. It's a big field, and that's St. Agnes Catholic Church, where we'll do the burial prayers and all that. As you can see, it's a pitch, but it's very big. Yep. We're back to Nnene's house again. People are already there.
They are building the house. I think they are fixing the house.
Yep. People are already here. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir. Well, fine, thank you, sir.
This is my mommy's house. Good evening. Good evening. I'm in my mommy's house. See our mommy. We're going to meet them. Big mommy. Big mom, see? Yeah. No, she's not here.
Auntie Obi, say hi.
Hi, look, I say hi like this, I am.
You look beautiful, don't mind them.
Is it video?
We'll send it to them. Them in the. I dare you.
No, be this one I dey talk. This one na new century wife. They talk of old century wife. This one na wifey, digital wife. This one na digital everlasting wife. We dey talk of old wife.
But you know, they did that side.
Eh?
I thought we would go shit for bush. Now, here.
Hi, Jesus.
Let me see your house. We don't renovate am. Let me see your house. We don't renovate am. See how it's fine. Nah, so your guests go there by next week.
I'm gonna put swimming pool for your house now. Put swimming pool for your house, Emeka. Buy Lister.
See your house. Show your friends. Say see your house.
Now so I go send them, give them now.
Send and give am. Tell her say see your house. We dey here. Now in fact.
Big mommy, say hi to the people in diaspora.
Okay. Hi.
I will say them, give us. Jesus. What's that?
I don't feel like
I beg, we're following this side.
Jesus, Chukuma enter that video. Chukuma can enter the video. I'm not deleting this video.
Can you go snap? Now this one when you just the video.
Well.